Get super healthy with this one special yeast. It's a game changer. It can help everything. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor, going on 36 years here. 1,300 videos for you to use to get healthy with. Let's get the world healthy. Please subscribe. Please click on that, notification button so you get my next video. Well, there is a special yeast which can really change your life and really get you healthy. And if you're not taking this, you're doing yourself a disservice. And most people don't have this in their gut at all, and they should have this because it heals just about everything that most people have going on. And if you've ever taken any kind of antibiotic, you really need to take this for sure and get your whole body back on track. Well, I'm talking about Saccharomyces boulardii, and I'm not going to say that again. Saccharomyces boulardii, I'll put it in the first comment, or you just look down below and see all the notations of scientific studies. You'll see all the name there so many times. And it is amazing. This yeast can do a lot of good for the body. It's a yeast and it is not a bacteria, and it can really help if you've ever taken antibiotics, and it can be a game changer and get your gut back in order. And this is super, super, super important. It really helps a lot with if you have diarrhea, and if you're going somewhere and have traveler's diarrhea, this is really important to start taking before, during, and after. And it's really important for also really getting your gut barrier or all the lining of your gut in general back to healthy is super important, and get all those digestive enzymes working in the right way, and to get that mucus in your gut the way it's supposed to be. It's not killed by antibiotics, so you don't have to worry about that. So you can take it if you have to take antibiotics. I don't recommend it, but if you have to, you can take this at the same time. And it neutralizes things like H. pylori and many other bacteria that, get started in a bad way in your gut also. It grows really well in the gut, and even if you have low gastric pH or high bile acids or anything, it really does a good job. It stays in the gut for about 2 or 3 days, up to 5 days, and it needs to be re-administered, and really, really important. What can it help with? It can help with leaky gut, IBD, IBS, lots of infections, healing the gut lining, immune system problems, boosting up your immune system, also help to restore your gut microbiome, and on and on and on. There's no limit to this, really. And if you've been feeling poorly for a long time, maybe it is that you just need some of this good yeast in your system to jumpstart your microbiome and start healing your gut mucosa. This is important. Also, it'll give you more energy and vitality. And I have found with people, they start losing weight and get, the mean and lean look. And it really does a great job because your whole body starts to work the way it's supposed to. This yeast is very stable. You don't have to refrigerate it. So that's one thing you don't have to do. It has very little side effects, very uncommon gas, upset stomachs, and a possible allergic reaction, but I've never seen that. You can find it on Amazon and eBay, and lots of it, and you can start taking it. I recommend 250 milligrams to 500 milligrams. That's probably the most common amount. Also, or anywhere from 2.5 to 10 billion CFUs, 2.5 to 10 billion CFUs, or 250 milligrams to 500 milligrams daily. And it really does a great job. If you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119, 831-869-9119. I've had a lot of people with atrial fib, and we over the course of a couple of months here, especially with one man, we've gotten it down to almost nothing. So he hasn't had any atrial fib, challenges in a couple months, and that is really amazing. And I've had this with multiple people. You don't really have to take a medication for that or have surgery. We can get you healthy in a great way. 831-869-9119, or go to my website at paulhaider.com. So there you have it. If you want to get really healthy, and most people have to say their gut bacteria and their yeast in their gut is atrocious. Most people have hardly any, and this will help to heal your gut mucosa and get rid of some of these bad bacteria and get you on the right track, and you can start to feel good again. Wow, would that be nice?